Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a Snapchat account very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then click on sign up and then click on allow and write here your name. After writing name, click on continue and then write here your birthday. After selecting the birthday, click on continue and then here you can change your username, then click on change username. Here you can change your username according to you. It will also suggest you your username, so you can also select from here. So after change, click on continue. So and then write here password which you want to choose. After selecting password, click on continue and then select a email address. If you want to use email address, then click on email address. If you want to use phone number instead of email address, you can also use phone number instead of email address. After that, click on continue. Here it will suggest you your friends, so you can add your friends from here. So after that, click on continue. If you want to add your profile at now, then click on your profile. If you want to add it after, then click on skip options. So you can see my Snapchat account is created. So in this way you can easily create a Snapchat account. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.